Hello and welcome. The following video is in reference to Chapter 6 in the MCSE Guide to Managing a Microsoft Windows Server 2003 Network Enhanced. In this video I will be going over how to use NSLookup to perform DNS lookups. This chapter covers naming resolutions. The programs that I'm going to be using for this video are Cam Studio, which allows me to record what I'm doing on my desktop. And allows me to record it so you guys can see it. I'm also going to be using a program called VMware, which is a virtual machine that allows me to pretty much install an operating system within a virtual environment instead of installing it on my physical hard drive. To get started, basically to give you a better insight as to what NSLookup does, NSLookup is basically used from a command prompt to resolve host names. It's most powerful in interactive mode. And then to run NSLookup, what we can do is, I'll go ahead and get started here. If you have Windows 2003 Server installed on VMware or your physical hard drive, you can click Start, and then go up to Run. Type in NSLookup. I've already done this activity, so I typed it in earlier, but I'll do this again. And then click Enter. And then from here, it's not actually covered in the activity, but you can actually get a list of help commands by typing in help. And let me enlarge this here. That lists some of the basic commands that you can use with NSLookup. In this activity, it's basically what's happening is it gives you a representation of when you might be able to use this, and it says you're having trouble connecting to Google and have been unable to send email to the admin of google.com. What we're going to do is confirm the DNS is performing the hostname resolution properly, and to do this we can use NSLookup. Again, click Start, Run, and then type in NSLookup. And then from here we can go, if it's necessary, we can change the server that NSLookup supports. I don't believe I need to do that, but you can do this by typing server space IP underscore address and press enter. And the IP address section is the IP address of the DNS server used for internet access. Which, again, I don't believe I need to do that personally. And then if we want to view the MX records, we can type set type equals MX, and then press enter. And then we can view the MX records of Google. So we'll go ahead and type in google.com. As you can see there, it lists all the MS records as far as Google is concerned. You can also do this with other websites such as Hotmail. And again, it gives us all the records for that. And then if you want to switch the records from MX to A records, we can do kind of the same thing as we typed for the MX records. We can type in set type equals A, and then hit enter. And then we can do the same thing, google.com. Google.com. Okay. My PC is having issues with this at the moment. Let's try Hotmail. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why it's doing that, but normally if you type in google.com or Hotmail, it'll show you the A records for whichever website you type in. Again, that was using NSLookup to perform DNS lookups. This concludes my video, and thank you for watching.